Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Hyundai Elantra brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and new brake pads. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands. Once the car is stable, remove the wheel to gain access to the brake caliper assembly. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and safe repair process. Next, you'll need to unbolt the caliper guide pins, allowing you to swing the caliper open. With the caliper out of the way, carefully remove the old brake pads from their mounting brackets. Take a moment to inspect the brake rotor for any signs of wear, deep grooves, or damage. If the rotor appears worn, consider replacing or having it resurfaced for optimal braking performance. Now, it's time to install the new brake pad hardware and apply a thin layer of lubricant to all contact points. Use a C-clamp or a specialized caliper piston tool to compress the piston back into the caliper. Carefully insert the new brake pads into their respective positions. Finally, reattach the caliper, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. To finish, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your vehicle. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This action properly seats the new pads and ensures proper brake function. Always test your brakes in a safe, open area at low speed before resuming normal driving. Also, check the description for a link to a fantastic book on personal finance and other helpful deals. Remember, proper brake maintenance is vital for your safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.